Hello everyone, it's Julia here, and today I'll be showing you how to turn your circles right side out for the Zinnia Placemats. First, you'll want to fuse your fleece to the fabric that you want to be the smaller inner petals. Next, layer your larger petal fabric right side facing down to the right side of the circle you just fused. Next, you'll want to pin them together and sew all the way around 1/4 inch. Alright, so this is where we will need to turn the circle right side out. To do that, you will need to do the following. Find the center of the circle by folding it in half. You'll fold up or down both sides to meet the center point. Press the folds to make a crease. In the creased area, make a slit with a seam ripper or sharp scissors. Just be sure to only cut the larger petal fabric. You'll want to make a hole large enough for you to turn the circle right side out, but without making it too big that you won't be able to cover it when you top stitch the petal in place. Finally, turn your circle right side out and press.